Hey guys, what's up? So, today we're gonna learn Java. So, I'm surprised this says beginner. So, we're gonna get started. So, introduction to Java. Java is a programming language designed to build secure, powerful applications that run across multiple operating systems, including Linux, Mac OS X, and Windows. The Java language is known to be flexible, and maintainable. We will begin with the fundamentals of Java programming: data types, arithmetic, and operators. We'll learn a few concepts that you can apply to the programs you create. By the end of the course, you'll be familiar with the basic building blocks of a Java program. So, as you might see, this is a little different than the editor looks a little different than before. Well, that's because the editor, from before, was out a long time ago, and this one's really new. So, instructions. Let's get started by getting to know each other. On line 4, type your name with double quotes between the parentheses like this. So here I'm gonna write Mike. Click run to run the code. If you can report a bug and stuff. Next. Great job, you've already learned how to print text. Well, I don't see a text, really. Creating more useful Java programs will likely require you to work with several additional types of data. Let's explore a few of them. The first data type we will use is int. Int is short for integer, which are all positive and negative numbers, including 0. This number could represent the number of visits a website has received, or the number of programming languages you know. The int data type only allows values between negative 2,147,483,648 and 2,147,483,647. Instructions. Type any whole number in between the parentheses of system.out.println. So 19. Int data types do not need to be typed within quotes, so you can avoid using quotes this time. Yeah. Oh, there's the 19. Fantastic. You just printed an int data type. The next data type we will use is Boolean. A Boolean is a data type that can only be either true or false. Type in true or false between the system.out.println. Again, this does not have to be in quotes. Run. There. Perfect. Let's look at one more data type. Char. The char data type is used to represent single characters. That includes the keys on a keyboard that are used to produce text. Char is short for a character and can represent a single character. All char values must be enclosed in single quotes like this. In between the parentheses, type any single character of your choice. Make sure it's enclosed in single quotes. So I'm going to do that. And I'm going to just do the int, Boolean, and char are fundamental data types of Java that we will see later again in the course. Another important feature of Java and of many programming languages is the ability to store values using variables. A variable stores a value. In Java, all variables must have a specified data type. We can assign a variable to a specified data type like this. The variable myLuckyNumber now stores the value 7 as an int type. A semicolon is also used to end all Java single code statements. We will cover statements that should not end in a semicolon later in this course. Okay, instructions. Set in the int variable myNumber equal to the number 42. So we need to 42. Run. Set the Boolean variable is equal to true. And here set the char variable movie rating to A. Before we explore what we can do with variables, let's learn how to keep code organized in Java. Whitespace is one or more characters, such as base, tab, enter, or return, that do not produce a visible mark or text. Whitespace is often used to make code visually presentable. Java will ignore whitespace in code, but it is important to know how to use whitespace to structure code well. If you use whitespace correctly, code will be easier for you and other programmers to read and understand. The given code is poorly formatted. Place system.out.println is formatted on line 5 so that is easier to read. So what this does, it's gonna say false because, if we put a variable name, then the value will pop up. So let false. A comment is text you want Java to ignore. Comments allow you to describe code or keep notes. By using comments in the Java code, you may help yourself and even other programmers understand the purpose of code that a comment refers to. In Java, there are two styles of comments: single-line comments and multi-line comments. Single-line comments are one-line comments that begin with 2 forward slashes. Multi-line comments are generally longer comments that can span multiple lines. They begin with these and with these. Here's an example. The statement on line 4 prints out noise. Ask Java to ignore it by commenting it out. Place 2 forward slashes at the beginning of line 4. Write a multi-line comment that begins anywhere after the single-line comment you just wrote. Again, the comment can say anything you like. So, hello, right? Hello. Now let's try arithmetic in Java. You can add, subtract, multiply, and divide numbers and store them in variables like this. Set the int variable my number to equal to the product of two numbers. So I'm just going to do 4 times 4. Now addition side is just that. Subtraction is just that. Multiplication is this asterisks, and then this is division is just slash. Good work. Let's explore one more special math operator known as modular. The modular operator, represented in Java by the percentage symbol, returns the remainder of dividing two numbers. For example, 15 modulo 6 will return the value of 3 because that is the remainder left over after dividing 15 by 6. Use the modulo operator to set the to set the variable my remainder equal to 2. Okay, so I'm gonna do 5 percentage 3. So 5 divided by 3 is 1 and remainder 2. Duh. Yeah. It looks like you're getting the hang of this. Let's explore another set of useful operators available in Java known as relational operators. Relational operators compare data types that have a defined ordering, like numbers, since numbers are either smaller or larger than other numbers. Relational operators will always return a Boolean value of true or false. Here's a few relational operators: less than or greater to, greater than or equal to. Wait, less than or equal to, I mean. Yeah. A relational operator is placed between the two operands the terms that you want to compare using the relational operator. The result of a relational operation is printed out in the following statement. The example above will print out true because the statement 5 is less than 7 is true. So in here, use one of the relational operators above to compare any two integers. So 7 is greater than 5. And this should return true. Yeah, there. You may have noticed that the relational operators did not include an operator for testing equals 2. Yeah. In Java, equality operators are used to test equality. The equality operators are equal to, like two equal signs, and not equal to, exclamation mark, and not equal to. Equality operators do not require that operators share the same order. For example, if you can test equality across Boolean, char, or int data types. The example below combines assigning variables and using an equality operator. My char is equivalent to my int. The example above will print out false because the value of my char a is the same value as my int -2. Oh, sorry, it's -2. Use any equality operator to directly compare the two Boolean variables. Do not declare any variables. Okay, so 5 is not equal to 6. Yeah, true. Congratulations, you learned some of the building blocks of Java programming. What can we generalize so far? Data types are int, Boolean, and char. Variables are used to store values. Whitespace helps make code easy to read for you and others. Comments describe code and its purpose. Arithmetic operators include addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modular. Relational operators include less than or equal to, greater than, and greater than or equal to. Equality operators include equal to or not equal to. A full understanding of these concepts is key to understanding the remainder of the Java course. Let's keep going. Write a single line comment anywhere you want. It can be anything. So I'm just gonna do hello world, hello Java. Set the Boolean variable is complete to true. Set the int variable awesome level to 121. Set the int variable epic level equal to awesome level multiplied by 2. Uncomment the last line so that the console prints out the values of epic level. So there, run, and then look, 242. Congratulations, you earned a new achievement. Lesson completed. Introduction to Java. Up next. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this episode. Now what we're gonna do. Whoa, the conditionals Java have. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. I don't want to do anything. So yeah, that's it for this video. Please subscribe. Please like. Thank you so much for watching this video, and bye bye.